Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the topic of today, how to sell in the bear market in Web3. Very simple, I'm gonna show you the exact framework of what you can do today to start doing it. So first thing, the most important, you need to change your pitch from offering them something that they can gain into the opportunity to avoid risking something. Because the nature of the bull market is everybody wants to capitalize on the opportunity. Everybody wants to make most out of the bull market. And in the bear market, people want to lose as least as possible. They know that there's going to be some losses, but they just want to minimize the damage to the business. So the best and the easiest thing to do is think about who are you selling to, and then sell to the fears of each personality type that you're selling with. So for example, let's say you are offering a product that is dedicated for engineers, for I don't know, some kind of Web3 API or SDK or nodes or whatever. You're typically selling to the decision makers that are based, there is like a special framework called DISC. I wasn't the guy who made this. I got the slide from the Bolt Sales guy, and the DISC is a psychological model that was developed in the last century. Basically, the main idea that it shows the person, each role, what they're doing, what they really care about, where you should be pushing to get them to the deal, and the real approach of what you should be doing. So the easiest approach for selling to engineers, for example, is going to be very brief but still detailed. Don't promise them anything, just talk about the process and tell them how your thing will help them avoid risks, because they want to have all the information and they are afraid of making mistakes. So if in your pitch you can deliver them that this is going to be a bear-proof solution, whatever bear market hits, bull market hits, it's going to be working, you can get any engineer to basically buy from you. This will also apply to any other role. You can just pause the video, look through these things right now, and start implementing it today. Change your pitch from what they're gonna gain to what they're gonna avoid, and they're just gonna yield you good results. Now, if you want to learn how to do that, you can join our community of Web3 sellers. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, or you can just send a message to me called Nikolai, and we can talk about that. That's most about it. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, share with friends, and let's see you in the next video. The next video is going to be even more interesting than this one. See you.